All right, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So, my lips are sealed. My lips are sealed. Let's have a look. There we are. Sealed. There we are. Very good. Yeah. So, to keep a secret. Shh. Yeah, to keep a secret. Shh. Shh. Yeah. My lips are sealed about what I saw. Yeah. I will keep my lips sealed. They know better and will keep his lips sealed. Yeah. Definitely. We need to keep our lips sealed, or they will know. They'll find out. Yes. Other people might learn the secrets if we don't keep our lips sealed. Shh. Definitely. Sometimes I need to keep my lips sealed. Yes, it's quite important. It is quite important to know when you should keep your lips sealed. Yes. Yes. Sometimes they will tell you important things that you should keep to yourself. You will have to keep your lips sealed. Very important. Yes, quite important, really. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Now, my lips are sealed. Yeah, so don't tell everyone what you saw. Keep your lips sealed. Now, language explorers, can you use my lips are sealed in a sentence? Yeah. Can you write it in the comments below and like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come, and you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, let's keep exploring.